Hello there, fellow financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to WealthWise Academy, your ultimate source for valuable insights on money management, personal finance, and investing. Today, we are here to equip you with essential knowledge to steer clear of the dreaded money traps that can hinder your progress towards financial success. As advised by Dave Ramsey's esteemed company, Ramsey Solutions, we'll explore some common pitfalls that you must avoid at all costs. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a transformative journey towards financial freedom. If you share this burning desire to unlock your financial potential, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to show your support. Now, let's dive into our topic, Money Trap Prevention 101, Dave Ramsey's Guide to Financial Success. No matter where you currently stand with your finances, it is critically important to be vigilant and watch out for money traps that can impede your progress. These treacherous traps can derail your journey towards your financial goals and leave you feeling stuck. But fear not, because with the right knowledge and guidance, you can avoid these pitfalls and pave the way to true financial success. Money trap number 1. No money down plans. The allure of no money down plans. These marketing strategies often target individuals with little financial discipline, enticing them with instant gratification. The promise of purchasing items with nothing down might seem tempting, but beware. If you can't afford the down payment, chances are you can't afford the item itself. Instead, follow Dave's principles and save up the entire sum to make cash purchases, freeing yourself from the burden of monthly installments. Money trap number 2, timeshares. Picture this, a free vacation in exchange for attending a short presentation. Sounds too good to be true, right? And that's because it usually is. Timeshares often trap unsuspecting individuals into paying annual fees for a resort they can only vacation at under specific conditions. The lack of flexibility and difficulty in selling these shares make them a less than ideal investment. Opt for vacations of your choice and spend your hard-earned money on experiences you genuinely enjoy. Money trap number 3. Adjustable rate mortgages. At first glance, adjustable rate mortgages might seem appealing due to their lower introductory interest rates. However, these loans can quickly turn into a financial nightmare as interest rates rise, causing monthly payments to spiral out of control. Protect yourself from this volatility by opting for fixed-rate mortgages and sticking to a 15-year term, as recommended by Dave Ramsey. Money trap number 4. Playing the lottery. The dream of winning the lottery and escaping all financial worries. While dreaming is harmless, regularly playing the lottery is not a wise investment strategy. The odds of winning significant amounts are incredibly slim, making this more of a hope-driven expense than a sound investment. Instead, use your money wisely by paying off debt and investing in proven strategies with a higher likelihood of success. Money trap number 5. Subscriptions. Subscription services offering free trials can be a valuable way to test out a service. However, some might turn into scams, charging exorbitant fees once the trial period ends. Keep a close eye on your subscriptions and eliminate ones you no longer use. By doing so, you'll free up funds for more meaningful investments. Money trap number 6. Investment scams. When someone offers you an investment opportunity that seems too good to be true, it usually is. Scammers prey on vulnerability and greed, promising high returns with no risk. Protect yourself by sticking to trusted investments and never handing your money over to someone you don't know or trust. Money trap number 7. Car leases. Car lease ads often promise low monthly payments for brand new cars, but the reality can be far from it. Read the fine print, as many leases require substantial down payments. Instead, consider buying a reliable used car you can afford to pay cash for. Money trap number 8. Home equity lines of credit. While tapping into your home's equity might seem like a convenient way to finance expenses, it comes with risks. Large credit lines can lead to excessive spending and leave you in financial distress when payments become unmanageable. It's best to avoid home equity lines altogether and practice responsible borrowing. In conclusion, steer clear of these money traps outlined by Ramsey Solutions to ensure your financial success. By adopting Dave Ramsey's principles and avoiding these pitfalls, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions that lead to true financial freedom. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Until next time, stay financially wise and empowered.